Sometimes you come across a project that literally halts you in your steps. Celery is one such project. Celery is an engine for creating multiverse worlds. This project is developed by Celery.ai, which is a company at the forefront of leveraging AI for creating visual novel generation. The concept of multiverse is quite fascinating. It refers to a theoretical framework in which multiple, possibly infinite universes exist alongside or parallel to our own. The multiverse has become a popular concept in science fiction and fantasy, where it provides a rich backdrop for stories that involve alternate realities, parallel worlds, and dimensions. Fictional multiverses allow characters to experience different versions of reality, travel between different worlds, or encounter alternate versions of themselves. Celery takes this multiverse to a new level by marrying it with generative AI. There are a lot of great things about Celery. Celery is backed by a thorough research by the experts. The team behind Celery is quite fantastic. Their mission is something to die for. If you just look at your screen, you can appreciate the mission is quite amazing. Celery promotes first principle AI as their mission and vision. First principle AI refers to artificial intelligence systems that integrate and operate based on the fundamental truths and laws specific to the varied physics, logic, and realities of each universe within the multiverse. These foundational principles guide the AI's reasoning, decision making, and predictions, ensuring its outputs are not only data driven but also aligned with essential, incontrovertible truths unique to each universe. By embedding these universal principles, such AI systems can navigate the complex, diverse realities of the multiverse more effectively, providing a deeper understanding, improved generalization across different worlds, and enhanced interpretability of phenomena that span the vast expanse of the multiverse. This approach is particularly crucial in a multiverse setting where the ability to adhere to the specific laws of different universes is key to tackling the intricate and varied challenges posed by such an expansive interconnected reality. If you go through Celery's website, you'll be blown away. They already have some of the sample multiverses as you can see on your screen. For example, you can see that they have this visiting world basis on the base of world of Harry Potter. Then a turtle become human, and there is a complete storyline. For example, if I click here on this Harry Potter one, you can see that this is a different world where the description is world of Harry Potter, school of Hogwarts. It is um, not safe for work is false, so it is safe for work. And then look at the graphics generated by this model. Main character is Harry Potter, and then there were some extra characters or settings, and then what sort of actions they can perform, their gender, their personal ambitions, or the characteristics of those characters are also there. It list goes on, and how cool is that? Now you can copy this world and create your own. But before we do that, let me show you a couple more examples. For example, look at this Goblin's Hollow, which is a group of female adventurers exploring a goblin cave. You click on this again, there is a storyline here in the episode 1 and then episode 2. It goes on and on. It's simply interesting. I'll drop the link to it this in video's description so that you can have fun, but it is simply amazing. Okay, now in order to create your own world, all you have to do is to click on create, and then you will be redirected to their Discord server. So let me show you their Discord server. So this is where you have to just authorize some of the stuff like you are joining it, and it's totally safe. Now just join any channel, and then on that channel simply type slash create, and we are going to create our own world. That is all you need to do. You can even copy it, create, and then world id, which I just showed you here. And if you want to create your own, all you need to do is to just type this slash create. Let me make it tad bit bigger so that you would be able to see. That is what all I have written here. As soon as you press enter, then it asks you three questions through which you can create your own world. Now, in order to create your own world, you have first have to describe your world, and then from there you can give your main character, and then you can define your optional characters too. This is where your creativity shines. So let me describe the world. So let me quickly take you what exactly I'm saying. So I'm saying welcome to the Vivid Dreams, a sensual and electrifying multiverse where the boundaries of reality blur with the whims of desire and imagination. Each realm is a distinct universe, pulsating with its own rhythm and energy, yet all are connected by the wheel, a shimmering fabric of existence that responds to the deepest emotion and dreams of its inhabitants. In this world, cities pulse with neon lights that dance to the beats of collective hearts. And then I'm going on and on and on. So you have to keep it less than 2000 characters, which I have tried to do. And then let me describe my main character. So these two are mandatory, like world description, main character. You can leave the other one. So I'll leave the other one, but let me give you a slight overview of my main character. So my main character is Leora, who is a sensate, a rare being who possesses the extraordinary ability to navigate and influence the realms through her deep connection with the wheel. With skin that glows softly under the moonlight and eyes that reflect the myriad colors of universe she traverses. And then there is a lot of other stuff. So let me submit. Now, as I have uh, read through this channel, it could take around, you know, new world takes 20 seconds to a minute. There you go, it's saying. So let's wait for it to finish. It says that once done, a new thread will be created for the new world. Meanwhile, you can explore worlds created by others by clicking the button below. So this is where I already showed you, but let's click here again and we can trust it. So this is what we already saw. So for example, if you look at the turtle one, so you can see that this is Turtleia, a turtle who became a human. You see that the turtle is becoming human now. Look at the colors. There you go. So now retreat to the quiet of the park, reminiscing about the pond. How cool is that? And then these are the character. Jackson is a main. And then there is a Marina Swift, who is a marine biologist, and so on and so forth. And then, of course, you can play in your own world. You can go around and do all the stuff which people do in the metaverse. Okay, so there you go. So our world is created. So click on the created world, and this is our created world. As you can see, exactly what I had defined. The world created for this character is Leora, and this is a main character. And then there are few other actions. Now it says that there are few next actions. Explore the neon light cityscape to uncover hidden emotion in the collective heart. Venture into the whispering forest to commune with the desires of the natural world. How cool is that? Now it says, what is your next action? So, what do you want to do? Do you want to explore it or venture into the maybe? Let's go with this one, the first one. You can see that incredible multiverse is thinking now. Can you imagine that artificial intelligence, when mixed with this multiverse, with the power of generative AI, Celery AI has now enabled us to really uh, do this magic of metaverse or multiverse with the AI. How cool is that? This just looks like we are just living in this parallel world. So let's wait for it to come back. So there you go. So if I scroll above, this is a city. So action was explore the neon lit cityscape to uncover hidden emotions in the collective heart, and then these are the consequences. So it has generated by itself that Caspian tide. As Leora explores, Caspian joins her, his enchanting melodies weaving through the cityscape, revealing a deeper connection between beings and realms. And then, Caspian melodies. So, do you want to share your emotion with Caspian? Do you want to accept Iris offer, and or do you want to politely decline Iris offer instead on an unexpected Caspian music? So let's go with the um, Caspian one. This looks really good, and of course you can still talk with your characters and world dashboard, but I'll just go with the option one, and you can regenerate it or you can simply end your story here. Let's wait for it to come back. It has generated it, so let me scroll above. There you go. So this is our Leora, and then the action was share your emotion with Caspian, allowing him to infuse them into his songs, resonating throughout the city. How cool is that? And then these are the consequences which it has produced. And now you need to there are further actions after these consequences that you can attempt to soothe the city's collective heart, hoping to calm Caspian's enchantments, or you could seek out the source of the malevolent force, or you could embrace the chaos and then allow Caspian's enchantment to run their course. Maybe let's go with the 3 1. How cool is that? I could really play along the whole day. Actually, it is right now night in Sydney, and I could spend the whole night here. But let's end it after this one. But you can appreciate that, when AI is combined with this multiverse, great things can happen, and sky is the limit here. There you go. And look at the image it has generated. Amazing. So this is all enchantment from Caspian, and Leora is enchanted. How cool is that? And as I mentioned earlier, there are a lot of other worlds which you can explore. And for example, this is the one which I was showing you earlier, Goblin's Hollow. How beautiful is that? Amazing stuff. And look at the graphics. Now, as I mentioned earlier, that this seems to be generated with efficient and really robust computing, following the principle of first principle AI. And it is relying solely on AI for data and knowledge raising. But in other worlds, it could be expensive. But in this one, they have really utilizing AI in a very, very efficient way. And this is all about efficiency and just focusing on the things which matter. So really hats off to Celery for creating this magnificent project. And as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to drop the link to their website in video description. Play along with it, highly recommended. And then let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.